So good evening, everyone. A preview of the video course we have been using so far. Yeah, the first one that we really know about is the Avatarify, which is very popular and common among among all the software, or should I say, which is I can say the second video calling application that really came out. The first one is the Deepfake Live. Yes, where you get to train your model for some certain period of time, and at the end of 2 to 3 weeks, you already have your own DFM. That's your deepfake model. But so far so good. After the release of the Deepfake Live using Deepfake Laboratory to train your deepfake model, you know, then people were open to Avatarify, where you can literally swap a face. Just give me a few minutes. Let me go through the Avatarify. Um, Let me go through the Avatarify setup. It's been a while that I use that. So we have upgraded. Yeah. Sorry for the delay. We are still on it. We are going. We are going. So almost there. So we are here. Avatarify is here. If you remember, this is what Avatarify looks like. Okay. This is having, if I turn left and right, it goes left. But this is how to do. Just click R. So if you turn, it gets the accurate direction. So the next thing is, as we all know, you fit your face inside the red box, your airline, press X. Oh, yes, geez. Sorry, I will not be able to fix this one that is slow because it's going to be a very long job for me because of my network. So that because I will need to download a package of like 2.7 gig. Yeah, so I'm not for that. I'm just there to explain how those things here. So that's just Avatarify for you. And after Avatarify, some other thing came out. I'm bringing that up now. That is the DeepLiveCam. The DeepLiveCam came up, and it looks like a game changer as well. Just like a sub to the Deepfake Live. The Deepfake Live, you need to train your model before you can use someone's face. Yeah. So let's assume you have about 7 calls to make in a day, or maybe same content, yes, to make in a day, and you really need to make those content that same day, like with 7 different people. There's no way you can use deepfake like, because you need to go through trainings for those 7 avatars. And now for you to create each avatars on deepfake lab, you will need videos of them, like minimum of 7 minute video that shows all angles of their face, including forehead. I think I have a picture of what it looks like. I'm not really good in editing videos, so I would have add the picture to you to see what you need, the targets you need in the video, in creating your own deepfake models. Yeah, then after this one came out, the DeepLiveCam. Yeah, so this one now, with just your picture, yeah, you are good to go. You are good to run anything you want to run. You are good to swap any place you want to swap. You are good to, like, go on any call, any content you want to, like, make about 20 to 30 content a day with 30 different avatars. Then you are good to go. But there's one thing about this one, the sharpness is not really there. You can't get a very, very sharp result. And yeah, you can see my mouth. One thing about this one is that, well, about video calling, especially the one that swap your face and shows your other body, is that the more the lights, the better your result. If you have more lights, then your result will be what? Your result will be so sharp. And again, it is better for light skinned people. Like I always say, you can see all those white people that do it, and it looks like magic when they are on it. What type of this thing is this? Wow, this looks crazy. This is damn mad. You understand? Like, wow, wow, wow. It is because of their kind of skin, the color which they are. You need a light skinned person, yeah, to get a very good result. But if you don't have a light skinned person, you can get yourself a foundational powder. You know, this woman makeup. You apply it on your face. You go on it, and yeah, you're good to go. And after that one, the yeah, I'm coming. Let me try and change. I think I have a black woman here. Let's see what it looks like. You can see now that it's better than white. Because it's better. Now people always complain that, oh, the leaves doesn't go this and that. Now my leaves is black. She has, you understand? They always have light pink leaves, red leaves, blah blah. So for you to get that, you need what's it called? A a red or pink lipstick. So that will now make your lips look firm. It will synchronize with whatever you are seeing at home. And note, the more the light, the better your results. And now the next one that came out was all those roof cam, roof cam, this cam, and all. Now those roof cam, now people think that they are different applications. No, they extracted those applications from this DeepLiveCam. If you check the origin, you see their data sources from DeepLiveCam. But a lot of people know still know. Yeah. So, and one thing about all these things is, maybe you are on a front end and you really want to show a document. Oh, I have this. You understand? You can show, okay, this document. You acquired this, stuff like that, and then you are really 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 good to go on that. Then came out another game changer. Another game changer. Then another game changer came in. That one I will call it the baddest of them all. I would say, yeah, the baddest of them all. But that one works. Okay, Avatarify now works with um 10 series, 20 series, 30 series, 40 series, 50 series. Deep Life Cam with minimum of 4 gig dedicated video RAM. Even the GTS, yes. Then this Deep Life Cam and other Deep Life Cam works with the roof cam and lights. They work on a minimum of RTS 4 RTS 10 series to 4 gig dedicated video RAM, and so on and so forth. They work on 30, 20, 10, 50, etc. But now the master of them all, I don't know, I really want to like cut that one, yeah, to avoid one or two dramas. But I will know how to like mark the video. I'll be right back. So here is another game changer. This is what I call the baddest of them all. This is what they are using now here. And this one is so powerful that it doesn't work on 6 gig dedicated video RAM. It doesn't work on 4 gig. The minimum dedicated video RAM you can use this on is 8 gig dedicated video RAM. Like 8 gig, which is so massive. And the minimum RTS is 3070 upward. I don't know about 2080. If you have a good 2080 with 12 gig dedicated video RAM, you can try it. Yeah, that one will surely work. But if you have 2080, 2070 with 8 gig, you can give it a try. I can say it will surely work. And this one works fully on GPU. So if you are using it and your laptop is not plugged, it will surely lag. It will be very, 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 very slow. So this is what we are going to do. Let's try something. Okay, I'm on it. I'm so black, so don't expect good results. So you can see now. You can see now, the more I try to shine light on my face, the result is coming out. You can see now. Mm-hmm. You can see now. You can see that the result we even have on the DeepLiveCam is different from this one entirely. So that is why I call this one like the baddest. So let's enhance this one now. Yeah, so you can see now, so sharp, everything is out. You can see. But my only disadvantage is I am black. I am black. I am black. So that's why the results will not be like really good on me. Yeah, but assuming I'm light, like I'm light skinned now, then my result is bam. So this is the craziest of them all. But this one is, so if you need it, I'll drop my contact on the bio. Can come down, make inquiry about it. If you need a laptop, I sell laptop. So you can send a DM to me. Yeah, we deliver nationwide. We send to Ghana, South Africa, and so on and so forth. So if you need, and we can buy laptop installed and sent to you. So thank you all for seeing our videos. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for liking our videos. God bless you.